Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this Watch Over My Shoulder edit, I'm going to show you how we can transform this beautiful tree farm image of Santa by Anna Brandt, beautiful setup, into a frosty North Pole scene using the LSP Winter Kiss presets in Evoto. Now, of course, you could work with what you've got here and just enhance the scene, which is great. You can do that yourself, or you could click on, for example, one of our winter presets. I've just clicked on the tree farm one. And you can see it's added a frosty vibe before and after with all the skin edited and everything done. But what I want to do is turn this into the North Pole. So in full winter, I'm going to choose one of the full winters. Let's start by trying winter total. Oof, you can see that's really frosted the scene completely. It looks like the trees are frosty and the ground is snowy before and after. But I think I want to go a little bit bluer and calmer. So I'm going to click Ice Blue. That's going to give us a really frosty blue. And you can see on the floor, even where the dirt was before, it even looks like it's frost and snow. So we've been transported to the North Pole. In the background tweaking section, I'm just going to click Cool on the background. I want to take some of the slight green tone out that's still there. And let me just slide this down. The cool, the backgrounds, you can adjust these to your taste. Beautiful. And I'm going to go into the background adjustment section, and on the backgrounds we're going to add one of the LSP snow overlays that come with the set, but you can see anywhere there's pure whites in the image. So this should work just fine, and it's the same for the glitter and the glowing overlays in the Hallmark collection. If you get any of this, I mean, it looks really odd, right? This strange artifacts. There's a couple of ways around this. The first thing is here on the fill mode. If it says center fill, change to center alignment and vice versa. That should fix it in a click. Can you see there? Center fill, not so good. Center alignment, fine. On your presets, just gonna scrolling down to the background section, you can have fixed snow as well. So if nothing's working on your fill mode center alignment, that's the first thing to try. Fixed snow is going to help with some of those whites in your image, so you can just click this one and it will fix it. So even if we're on center fill, which was the let me just undo that, center fill here, which is the strange, it's causing the strange artifact, you can hit fix snow. But the best thing to do, because that will change the whites in your image, is instead to use center alignment. So there's our original image, and we've turned it into a North Pole scene using the LSP Winter Kiss presets available at lspactions.com. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.